I'm in the kitchen a lot, cooking everything from quick weeknight dinners to trying out new culinary creations. That's why LG's lineup of gas ranges are built to handle it all, combining smart features with a clean, premium design that fits right into your kitchen. Let's start with the features that I love that you'll find across each model. Air fry is built right in. Use it for classics like wings and fries, or try my go-to lately, Italian sandwiches. Melty cheese and crispy bread is the perfect combo, and it eliminates another appliance on the countertop. Cleaning is also way less of a chore. With Easy Clean, I just spray a little water, run the cycle, and wipe it out in about 10 minutes. No harsh chemicals. And just like LG's other kitchen appliances, the print-proof finish is a win in real life. With fingerprints, splatters, and the famous nose prints from pets, it still looks clean without constant wiping. I also really appreciate the wide edge-to-edge grates so you can use all 5 burners at once. This is super helpful for those large family gatherings. Plus, these ranges connect to the LG ThinQ app, so I can preheat remotely, monitor cooking, or even sync the range with an LG microwave or hood, and the fan will turn on automatically. Now let's talk about what sets each model apart. Starting with the 5833 that has 5.8 cubic feet of oven space, which is plenty for sheet pans, roasts, or multiple dishes at once. The UltraHeat 20K BTU burner is great when you need fast heat, from boiling water quickly or like I do with deglazing after searing a steak and making glorious garlic sauce. You also get convection cooking, which helps food cook more evenly when roasting a whole turkey or baking cookies on multiple racks. The flex control knobs are customizable and give a little extra peace of mind, especially in homes with kids or furry friends. Stepping up to the 6335 model, you'll get more space with a 6.3 cubic foot oven, plus LG ProBake Convection. Whether baking desserts or roasting multiple dishes at the same time, it helps with consistency. This also features an InstaView window like some of LG's fridges, so I can knock twice and check out the food inside without opening the door and letting heat escape. The temperature probe is a game changer for roasting. I just set the temp, insert the probe, and the oven shuts off automatically when it's done. No guessing or overcooking. They also include a cast iron griddle. At the top of the lineup, we have the 6337. This one really brings the wow factor, with everything from the previous model, but now they've added air sous vide, which lets you cook meats or fish low and slow for incredibly tender and juicy results, right in the oven. The UltraHeat 22K BTU dual power burner gives some serious flexibility. I'm into making stir fry or other dishes with my wok, and I love that it comes with a detachable wok grate to make it easier and more stable. Also included is a pizza stone for restaurant quality pizza and artisan bread right at home. Lastly, the LED illuminated knobs stand out, look great, and at a glance I can tell when the cooktop is on. Really helpful for when I'm on the hunt for a midnight snack. With all of these features and premium performance, choosing the right LG gas range can be a tough one. Head to bestbuy.com in the app to explore further, or visit a store to have an expert help you decide which is best for your home.